To get started with this very easy gluten-free and diabetic-friendly Jamaican Easter bun, we're going to need 2 bowls, one for your wet ingredients and one for your dry ingredients. You're going to need a bread pan or bun pan. You're going to need margarine, and from this margarine, we're going to need about 4 tablespoons. If you have butter, you can use that as well. We're going to need a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of ground ginger, a teaspoon of pumpkin spice. If you have bun spice, you can substitute this. We're going to also need a teaspoon of nutmeg, a tablespoon of vanilla, a tablespoon of mixed spice, a teaspoon of allspice, 2 large eggs, about 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of guava jam, and here I have browning, about 2 tablespoons of browning, a cup of Guinness or dragon stout, and a cup of mixed fruits. And these fruits are been soaking in wine and rum mixture. So I'm going to also add some of the liquid from this mixture to make the bun. Then you're going to need whatever sweetener you use. I'm using erythritol. And because this is a gluten-free version of the Easter bun, you're going to need coconut flour and almond flour. Let us get started. In your dry ingredients bowl, add 1 cup of almond flour, half cup of coconut flour, 1/4 cup of your sweetener. Now add 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of grounded nutmeg, teaspoon of mixed spice, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of bun spice or pumpkin spice. Whisk all your dry ingredients together, and this is where you can make the decision whether you want to add a teaspoon or a pinch of salt. I'm not going to add any salt to mine. Whisk it together nicely and set it. Melt your 4 tablespoons of margarine or butter. Now for your wet ingredients, pour your 1 cup of dragon stout into the bowl, 2 tablespoons of browning, vanilla, your tablespoon of mixed spice, pour your 2 tablespoons of honey, add your 4 tablespoons of melted butter, add your 2 lightly beaten eggs, mixed soaked fruits, and some of the wine will be in this mix. Combine your wet ingredients well. Now slowly fold your dry ingredients into your wet ingredients. So add a little and mix. At this stage, you're now ready to pour your Easter bun batter into that bread or bun pan that you have already prepared. I poured the batter into my bun pan. I am going to bake it for approximately 60 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. 1 hour is up and I've removed the bun from the oven. I had put some extra cherries on the top and it has made an indent right there in the middle. I don't know if that was a good idea. But while the bun is cooling a little, I'm going to go ahead and prepare that guava jam, or if you have strawberry jam glaze, to pour over the top of the bun. Here I have the 2 tablespoons of strawberry jam on very low heat. And that's just going to melt away and make that glaze that we need for the top of the bun. I finished putting on the glaze on the bun, and I did it while it was still hot, guys. And this is because I'm in a rush. But if you have time, you can wait until your bun totally cools down to glaze it first.